So if you take qualifiers, the concept of qualifiers, there are two ways in which we can change the perspective of the default nature of a data type. So the two ways is, one is sign qualifier and the other one is size qualifiers. So whatever the sign that the default sign is having for the data type, that can be changed by using these sign qualifiers, and whatever the default size that we have for the given data type, that can be changed by the size qualifier. So what are the keywords for sign qualifiers? It is signed, this is the default one, and the other one is unsigned. Signed qualifier, the default one, for example, so what does the default means is, for example, if you give int, it is by default it is signed qualifier, means it is going to accept both the negative numbers and also the positive numbers. Signed, sign is allowed. So that's the meaning of signed qualifiers. And unsigned qualifiers, this is where you can change this default behavior. Now we can change. So for example, here are different declarations of data types by using qualifiers. This is unsigned int. Unsigned int means only positive numbers are accepted. Means anything that is there in the in that specific memory location, that is accepted as unsigned number. Okay, so that is what unsigned qualifier is. And what about size qualifier? Size qualifier is having two keywords. One is short and the other one is long. Means the default nature of the given data type can be made short or can be made long. So for example, if you take int, the default size is 4 bytes. But if you mention it as short, what happens? The size is going to be reduced to 2 bytes. Okay, and if you make it as long, the size is going to be 8 bytes.